In this lesson, we want to explain how to produce a video or create a video from existing photos. In the Create menu, click on a video from image. And what happens is that the software starts recording video from its frame, and all the tools are hidden, and only the tools that you put in a favorite section are displayed, so that you can use them in a video recording process. As before, by clicking on a recent section, you can change the photos. Or you can use this arrow to change the sequence. Here you can turn on your microphone to recording sounds, and here by default the mouse is off to create cleaner mode. For example, when you drag a arrow, the mouse is not visible, and this is nice for recording. Okay. Now we start recording by clicking on the record button and using tools. And you can record your voice and describe something on your photos or images and recording. For example, going to the next photo, drawing some shape, and you can use text that you learned in previous lessons. Filming, and then you can stop the recording, and this is your final video. Play it. Okay. And finally, you can share or save your video on your system. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.